Hello, Angus here, and today we're going to review this. This is the Hyphen Aria wireless headphones. There's something a little bit different about these. There's some pros to these. There's definitely some cons to these. I'm going to make this review as quick as possible and hopefully answer all your questions. If I don't, pop them down below. I also have a discount code for these below, and I think it's 20% off these, which is wicked. I think they come in around about £150, but best to check the link to get the up-to-date prices. So they come in this little nifty box. They're a little bit different to normal headphones because they're using this air conduction technology. So they kind of sit on the outside and they're kind of pushing through. So music, but you can also hear your surroundings, which may be a pro, maybe a con, depending. I'll discuss that in a little bit. But it's actually designed so you don't get premature hearing loss, which is actually a problem with our inner ear headphones. This is a pair of Apple Pros in a case that I like for the noise cancellation, but the inner ear bit is actually just really affected my ears in the time that I've been using Apple Pros. And I've moved exclusively over these for my wireless earbuds. I also have a set of overhead earphones that I like as well, because I don't like this in the inside. So I'm absolutely loving these, but there are some pros and cons. This is a little case. I'm not going to open these because then it's going to transfer over to my phone and do the microphone. So I'll chuck in some B-roll here so you can see what these look like and see what these look like compared to Apple AirPod Pros, the size of the case, the size of the everything. But the thing about these headphones is they're really nice. The sound quality was like, wow. When I first put them on, I was like, wow, that's amazing. Sometimes if you're in a really noisy environment, you don't hear so well. So I took these on a 8-hour train journey, and the noise of the train and people on the train, I needed to put the volume up. I could hear, but I could hear so much background noise, but I could hear what I was listening to just fine, but I ended up using my overhead earphones. But when I'm out on a dog walk, I don't want noise cancellation. I want to hear the surrounding. If I'm out on a run, I want to hear the surrounding, where these have come in. So I have replaced the Apple AirPod Pros. I've given these away to someone, and these are going to be my exclusive earbuds. When I want noise cancellation, I'm going to use a set of overhead earphones. So price of these, build of these is amazing. They come with these little ear hooks. So you're getting a USB-C cable with them to charge them. There's not wireless charging on this, but I don't think it really matters that much. We've got enough USB-C cables lined by. You got these gravity hooks in 3 different sizes. The set that came with it fit my ear absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna put them on and I'm gonna show you what the mic quality is like. So taking them out of the case, and you just pop them in your ear, and the gravity hook just goes on. Take that one out, pop it into the ear. Now I'm not sure if it's going to take over from this microphone or if it's still going to use the phone microphone on that. And that is the case. Nice and easy. And if you just want to use one, you can just pop one in. Especially, you got some cool controls on here. So you can pop the volume up and down by sliding up and down. You can tap to skip songs. You can triple tap and stuff. And both headphones work the same. So depending on what side you like is the way you can do it, which is absolutely awesome. It's something that's missing from the Apple AirPods Pro, is the ability to just volume up and down. It comes with a little leaflet to show you all the little shortcuts that you can do with it. So welcome here to my little demo. So these are the AirPods Pros. They're just in a case. So if we pop those open and take one of those out for size comparison, I will pop that there, and then we'll open up the Hyphen. So you can see the boxes right about the same size. I would say this is a little chunkier if we compare those sides to sides. So this is a little bit chunkier, but still fits into your pocket because of these smooth edges. I would have liked this to be a little bit shorter. And I think opening this up, I think there's actually plenty of room to take a little bit of this off. You got your USB-C charging cable there. You've got lights to let you know that they're on, and those lights do shine through this kind of transparent lid here. So we can pop it out. So if I pop one of these out, got little charging pins that they go on. And if I pop, so because they're connected to my phone, it's probably gonna mess up the sound quality here. That's the size of the AirPods together. So a lot more of this sits outside the ear, and this hooks on the kind of outside of the ear, where this little nub goes right into the ear canal. Pros and cons to both of them. If you want noise cancellation, Apple Pros are great. If you want to lose your hearing, Apple Pros are great. If you want to keep your hearing, then the Aria Hyphen is what I would go for. Sound quality is good. Voice quality on the microphone is absolutely excellent. It's great taking voice calls. In fact, these when I'm doing like speak to text on my phone are not good. They generally do not pick up what I'm saying, but these seem to be absolutely magic. Important test. Take them out, hook them into your ear. Oh, what am I doing? There we go. That's it in. So it's in the ear. So they're in.